Good morning, everyone. Ulancey Peterson here. Today it is Friday, July 6, 2018. It is 10:30 a.m. After considerable, and I mean considerable, deliberation on the Android cell phone, we have a winner. I just left Best Buy and I decided on the Moto G6 Play. Now, I looked at least 10 different Android phones, and I considered everything from the $59.99 LG K8 all the way up to the $800 Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I looked at all of them. But in the end, it came back to what was my main reason for buying this phone to begin with, because I'm very happy with my Apple devices. I'm waiting until Apple releases the new iPhones, hopefully September, October, before I make up my mind on what I do to replace my primary phone, which is currently it's an iPhone 6s Plus. It has 128 gigabytes. And so I'm looking to get an iPhone 10 at 256 gigabytes or whatever is nicer out there that Apple will offer September, October, which is usually when they release new iPhones. But for the purposes of this Android device, I have two old Androids that are no longer supported by Google/Android because they use the 5.0 operating system version. So I thought about the LG, but it only goes up to Android 6.0, and I realized, okay, I'm literally throwing away $66 with that phone. So I focused my attention on phones that only ran the 8.0 operating system, Oreo, which is currently out right now. And I'm like, nah, I don't want to deal with any of the nougat phones. Those are 7.1. I wanted the best experience possible with the software. Then I looked at the cost, and ultimately I started centering in on the Motorola devices because I really like the way they look, the quality of the material, the presentation, but they offered three different devices that I liked. There was the G6 Play, the G6, and then the Z3 Play. The Z3 Play is $499, and it's a very impressive phone, but I'm not willing to spend that much money on an Android device just yet. So then I centered on the G6 category. Now, the one thing about the G6 Play versus the G6, the G6 Play is $199 unlocked. The G6, the standard G6 is $249 unlocked. So it's only a difference of $50. But that extra $50 buys you a lot of nice stuff. You get a 1080p display. You get a faster graphics processor. You get a slightly faster CPU. You get 32 gigabytes of onboard user memory. You get USB-C charging. You get dual cameras in the rear. But the Play has a larger battery. And I thought about it, and I'm like, you know what? I'm only getting this phone so I can evaluate the new Uber app. That's the only thing I'm using the phone for, really, at this point. So why spend all this money on the phone? So they had a great alternative that works excellent for me. I got this phone for $109 at Best Buy. It's on sale. It's normally $129. Same phone as the unlocked version, but I saved a good chunk of change by going prepaid instead of buying the unlocked version. If I like Android, the Android operating system version 8.0, then I will spend big time money on the next device that will come out in a few months, because at this point you have a new Android device coming out every month. So anyway, let's get to the main event, which is the unboxing. So you can see how nice this phone looks. So you crack it open like that. And, you know, they put them in these really cool boxes. I like them. Okay. Crack it open and all these things come out. They give you a case. Oh, wow, look at this. They give you a nice clear case inside for $109, man. Okay, I'm already impressed. Okay, this is the phone right here, and there's the back side. It's a nice size phone too. I like it. So you can see this is how it compares to the iPhone 6s. This is the iPhone 6s Plus, and this is the Moto G Play 6. So size-wise, I like it. All right, and I'm gonna take. It's very, very good looking phone. This is why I really feel good about the phone. I like the way it looks. It's an all glass front. It looks like you can take the case off to pop in the SIM. If not, I can put in my information so I can, you know, make this work with my current account. It's no problem at all. And then of course you get another charger, which is always nice to have chargers, and you get the USB cable. I kind of feel like I'm going backwards because at this point I would really prefer to have a device with USB-C, but in order to get USB-C, I had to spend the extra money for the unlocked G6. And right now, I'm not in the mood to spend $250 for the phone. Even though that was the one I really, really wanted, I'm like, not right now. I'll go on ahead and spend more money later for another phone. All right, so I'm gonna get this phone working, and the next video, I will give you my my reaction to the new Uber app, because it is available in Los Angeles. And I'm going to work it all day, and I'll give you my comments on that one. So there you go. I got the Moto G6 Play. I'm very happy, and I'm glad this part is over with. All right, take care. I can get to work. Y'all have a good one. Take care.